Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what might just be the best controller for your DJI Mini 2 and other compatible drones. I'm excited to introduce you to the DJI RC231, a sleek and ergonomic remote controller that promises to elevate your flying experience to new heights. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your gear. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more honest reviews like this one. First off, let's talk about design. The DJI RC231 comes in a modern, ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hands, making those long flying sessions a breeze. It's lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring durability without compromising on portability. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, this controller's intuitive layout makes it easy to navigate, with all essential controls within easy reach. Now, let's delve into compatibility. The RC231 is not just for the DJI Mini 2. It's also compatible with a range of other DJI drones like the Mavic 3, Air 2, Air 2S, Mini 3, and even the Mini SE. This versatility means you can use one controller for multiple drones, streamlining your setup and ensuring you're always ready for your next aerial adventure. Performance-wise, the RC231 doesn't disappoint. It boasts reliable connectivity, thanks to DJI's advanced transmission technology, ensuring a stable connection between your controller and drone. This is crucial for smooth, responsive control, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or executing precise maneuvers. Setting up the RC231 is a breeze. It's plug-and-play compatible, meaning you can get up in the air in no time. Plus, with its long battery life, you can enjoy extended flight sessions without worrying about running out of power. It's these little details that make the RC231 a standout choice for drone enthusiasts looking to upgrade their flying experience. What are users saying about the RC231? Well, feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Pilots praise its ergonomic design, robust build quality, and seamless integration with DJI's ecosystem. It's not just a controller, it's a tool that enhances your drone flying experience. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage or exploring new locations. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, feature-packed controller for your DJI Mini 2 or other compatible drones, look no further than the DJI RC231. With its ergonomic design, wide compatibility, and solid performance, it truly stands out as one of the best options available today. That wraps up our review of the DJI RC231. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts. And as always, leave your comments below on what you think about this controller or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy flying!